Do you want to replace your side mirrors? In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace them for like, or whether you want to put towing mirrors on. You might hate me by the end of the video by realizing how easy this job is, but you'll learn something. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to remove the mirrors and how you can put them back on. So let's get into it. So what you want to start by doing is by removing the tweeter speaker cover, or it may be a blank cover depending on what model you have. So the way you do this is you get a trim removal tool, you just put it in the top and it should just pop with ease. So there's just two clips on it, then you just want to undo the plug that's hold the wire in. That just comes off really easy. Once you've got that off, you then want to disconnect the electrical connector for the mirror itself. Straightforward. So once you remove this electrical connector, you want to start by removing these two bolts, and they're a T27 Torx bit. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them now. The thing is with this bottom one, when you get it close to being out, just be careful. It may drop into the side of the door trim, so you want to just be very careful with that. I've now got the bottom bolt out. So what I used is a Allen key type Torx bit, just because it gives you that angle to get into that where that bolt is. The next thing you have to do is remove this black plug, because there's another bolt situated behind there. So I'm now going to go ahead and remove that. If you don't really care too much about it, I'm just using long nose pliers because I don't really care, and because it can tear fairly easy. But I'm sure that if you took more time and care, you'd probably get it out without damaging it. But once again, don't really care too much. It can be a pain to get out. Alright, once you have that black plug out, you'll then reveal a bolt that's behind. So now you can go ahead and remove that. So I only do it slightly, and then what I do is I put my hand on the other side, and or you're probably best off dropping your window first and then removing the bolt. Now there's no bolts holding the mirror in, we're going to go around the other side. And I'm going to slowly lift the mirror off. So there's a plastic clip at the top, which I'm going to show you. So if you see that plastic clip, that just hooks around the top. So that just stops it from falling out. Now I'm just going to put it back in. You can see the 3 bolt holes and the electrical connector. And that's all I did to take the mirror off. So now I'm going to put it back on. So it can be a bit tricky lining it back up. So I'm just going to put that on, and then I'll go back and put the bolts on the other side. After seeing how easy it is to remove the mirror, would you still pay someone to replace your mirrors for you, or would you just do it yourself? Leave a comment below whether you would replace them yourself or whether you'd pay someone to do it. I think you can do it yourself. It's not that hard, and you'll save yourself some time and money while you're at it too. Thanks for watching.